Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today we are making Temarizushi, bite-sized bowl-shaped sushi. Temarizushi is usually cooked on happy occasions like becoming an elementary school student in Japan. Temari is a traditional Japanese embroidered bowl which people used to play in the old days. Let's learn how to make colorful and cute temarizushi. Temarizushi consists of two parts, rice balls and top part with the ingredients of your choice. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the sushi rice. Rinse and clean 1 cup of rice, pour in the same amount of water, then remove 1 tablespoon of water to cook firmer rice than usual. We are adding sushi vinegar afterwards. If we add the same ratio of water as usual, the sushi rice ends up soggy. Sprinkle sushi vinegar, mix until evenly distributed. Cover with a paper towel and set aside until used. Next, let's prepare the topper ingredients. First, let's prepare shrimps. To devein the shrimp, stick the toothpick into the second joint from the tail. Then, carefully take out the toothpick. Devein all those shrimp, then rinse thoroughly. Put them in a small pot, adding a tablespoon of sake. Cover and cook on the medium heat until shrimp start turning red. Remove from the heat and set aside. Next, let's make thin omelette. Beat your egg and add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add in potato starch solution and mix. Potato starch makes a firmer, thin omelette that won't break easily. Pass through a sieve to make nice even thin omelette. You can skip this process if you don't want it. You can make 3 thin omelette. Heat your frying pan on medium and grease the surface. Turn the heat to low, pour in the egg mixture. Run the egg all over the surface. Cook until set, then flip it over. Take it out onto a bamboo mesh tray. Next, cucumber. This is the easiest one. Use your peeler to have thin strips. Keep the leftover to make your salad. Next, Japanese pickled daikon radish, in Japanese, takuan. It's a very popular tsukemono in Japan. It tastes sweet and salty and has a little bit sourness from the fermentation. Cut into 1 cm slices. To make it easy to eat and look fancy, cut the surface crisscross. Place takuan cut side up. Slide your knife just before cutting through. Use a sharp thin blade knife to get the best result. Doesn't it seem like flower? It's so pretty. Set aside until used. Next, let's prepare edamame. Soak salted cherry blossom in water to remove saltiness. Set aside. Next, sashimi salmon. If you don't like raw fish, just skip it or choose smoked salmon. Here is how I slice sashimi with my kitchen knife. Slide the knife a few times and cut through. Professional washoku chef uses a yanagiba, which is thin and long blade knife designed for sashimi. I don't think I need it for my kitchen because, as you can see, I can slice sashimi with my small knife. Meanwhile, shrimps are cool to room temperature. Peel the shell and slice into 2. Set aside. Last but not least, tuna soboro. Soboro is usually made with ground chicken, but for the current situation, I think you have one in your pantry. And it's still delicious as well as meat. Put in your canned tuna into a small frying pan. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Cook on medium heat until the seasonings evaporated. Set aside. Here comes the fun part. Let's assemble. Let's shape sushi rice into a small balls. I am using a measuring spoon. Prepare vinegary water beside you. Moisten your spoon with water and take a spoonful of sushi rice. Take out onto a piece of plastic wrap and squeeze gently. Do not give it too much pressure. You don't want a hard rice ball. I made 15 sushi rice balls. On a piece of plastic wrap, place the salmon. If you like wasabi, put a little bit of it on salmon at this stage. Place sushi rice ball right on top and squeeze to stick together. Place shrimp on the wrap, overwrapping each other. Place sushi ball on it and squeeze to stick each other. I almost forgot edamame. Add in edamame to half a cup of sushi rice. Shape into a ball and set aside. For cucumber, wrap around the sushi rice ball with sliced cucumber. Squeeze and stick together. Here comes the easiest one, yet delicious one. Place shredded crab sticks on a plastic wrap. Drop a small amount of mayonnaise. Place a rice ball and squeeze to stick together. Next, tack one. Squeeze gently to stick together and open to look like flour. Next, thin omelette. To tie the omelette, I am using Mizuna green leaf. Use any thin leaf to substitute. To make it flexible, soak in hot water for a couple minutes. Let me introduce you 2 ways to shaping. The first one is pouch. Place sushi balls in the center and wrap all the way up to the top. Tie a knot with a Mizuna leaf we have just prepared. Cut off the edges to make it pretty. The other one is envelope. Fold thin omelette from right and left and from top and bottom. Tie a knot to secure. There you have your egg sushi. Last one is tuna soboro. Shred nori seaweed and place them on top like this. Transfer to a dish to your liking, or put them in a pretty basket like this for a change. Top with the condiment for the beautiful finishing. Temarizushi is easy to make, but looks pretty and makes us so happy. Tuna soboro has been well seasoned, don't put it too much. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Please go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!